Kilpatrick family, welcome to a new school year. This screencast will help you in deciding the safest and most efficient dismissal choice for your student. It will also outline traffic procedures and traffic flow. Let's talk about parent and student dismissal tags. Every OKE family will receive a paper with 3 dismissal hang tags. These are for parent use for the car rider line and/or the kindergarten and first grade walker and biker pickup lines. These tags will be given out in your youngest student's classroom on Meet the Teacher Night. On the first day of school, your student will receive a colored dismissal tag in a plastic cover that will have their regular dismissal spot labeled. Please make sure this remains on the backpack for the entire year. If you lose either tag, you will need to stop by the front office and pay a $5 replacement fee to obtain a new one. Now on to the specifics for dismissal locations. First, let's outline OKE's surrounding roadways and neighborhoods, as we will be referring to those for dismissal recommendations. To the front or south side of our school is Cinco Ranch Boulevard. Running alongside or to the east of the school is Gaston Road. Our crossing guards assist students at the intersection of Cinco Ranch Boulevard and Gaston Road, as well as the new crosswalk close to the bayou on Gaston Road. Please do not park in any of the crosswalks. Bus riders and off-campus daycare. Buses load students by accessing the teacher parking lot from Gaston Road. Student drop-off and pickup from this parking lot is strictly prohibited due to safety issues. This is also the area where our off-campus daycare students will be picked up and dropped off. Pick up and drop off in the West Side Drive. The pre-K car rider line drop-off and pickup are on the west side of the building. Access here requires pre-approval and special notation on the dismissal tag. Car riders. Car rider line begins stacking on Gaston, taking a right onto Cinco Ranch Boulevard at the intersection, proceeding to wrap around into the front drive of the school. Cutting into the line on Cinco Ranch Boulevard is not allowed. All cars must enter the car rider line off of Gaston Road, coming from the back of the school. Please make sure you remain in the right lane of the car rider line at all times. Follow the directions of the OKE staff on duty. You will also need to display your colored dismissal hang tag the entire time. Remember that there is no blocking or parking inside any of our crosswalks. We have several walker and biker locations. Here is a list of those locations. Front Walkers, Gaston Bikers and Walkers, Highland Express Bikers and Walkers. We are providing the following details and suggestions in helping you decide the safest and most efficient dismissal route for your student. Gaston Bikers and Walkers. Students using this location will park their bikes on the east side of the school by the teacher parking lot, and in the afternoon they will be escorted down the sidewalk to Gaston Road. Those students crossing Gaston will use the crosswalk behind the school at the bayou. It is our recommendation that if your student will be biking or walking to Highland Park, Kings Lakes, or Marshall Oaks, that you choose to have your student dismissed from this location. Please remind your child that they must walk their bike while on school property and when crossing the street. Students traveling south of the school will use a crosswalk at the light of Cinco Ranch Boulevard and Gaston Road. Front Walkers. Students in kindergarten and first grade will only be released to a parent with a matching dismissal tag from the southeast corner of the school. You will be directed to wait for your student in the grassy area outside the door near the southeast corner of the school that faces the car rider line. 2nd through 5th grade students being released from this location will be walked out of the southeast corner of the school down to the crossing guards. Parents of 2nd through 5th grade students, please meet your student at the crosswalk. It is our recommendation that if your student will be walking to the neighborhood south of Cinco Ranch Boulevard, that you choose to have your student dismissed from this location. Highland Express Bikers and Walkers. Students in kindergarten and 1st grade will only be released to a parent with a matching dismissal tag from the northwest corner of the school. 2nd through 5th grade students being released from this location will be walked out of the northwest corner of the school and be walked all the way to the back black gate. If you are a parent meeting a student at this dismissal location, we ask that you wait for them outside the black gated area, along the very back of the school property. It is our recommendation that if your student will be biking or walking to a neighborhood that is north of Cinco Ranch Boulevard and west of Gaston Road, that your student use this location. Please remind your bikers that they must walk their bike while on school property and when crossing the street. Just a reminder for all bikers and walkers, if your student is in kindergarten or 1st grade, they must be released to a parent or a guardian with a matching dismissal tag. If you wish for your kindergartner or 1st grade student to be released with an older 2nd through 5th grade student, you must provide a signed note that will be kept on file in the office, and your student's tag will be marked accordingly. We will note this in the file by the first day of school, or before the first day that you wish to implement this procedure. In conclusion, for this school year, you will have the choice of 8 previously mentioned dismissal locations for your student. When completing your student's online reference form, please select one of the following options: a bus rider, if they qualify, a pickup and drop off on the West Side Drive pre-K only or special approval only, car rider, front walker, Gaston biker and walker, Highland Express biker and walker, on-campus YMCA, off-campus daycare. Please let your student's teacher know the dismissal location via the student information card that you filled out electronically. If you have any changes, please let your teacher know prior to school starting. Once school starts, any dismissal changes will need to be made through a note that you send to school with your child or by calling the front office before 2:30 p.m. We look forward to a wonderful school year with you.